Recording in progress.
Okay. I was telling you about the bonding. Why bonding happens? Okay. Why bonding happens? This is a very important concept of chemistry. This will help you throughout your content. Why bonding happens? Okay. So you know everything. Why we live together? Because no, you can't live separately. You cannot live as an individual, and you cannot rely on like you cannot fulfill your any need by yourself. Okay, you need people. You need to collaborate with people for everything. Okay, we need grocery. We go to the market. For everything we have people with different. They are working in different departments. They are different in different sects. Similarly, when we talk about the atoms or elements, we say that the elements they want stability. Okay, they want stability in their. They want stability. For stability purpose, they react. Okay, the elements react. For why they react? Because for stability there are two rules. For every element, if any element, it want to be stabilized, it can follow duplet rule. Okay, or duplet rule means it can have two electrons in its valence shell, right?
Electron.
Yeah, two electrons in their valence shell. Or element, or any element, it can follow the octet rule. Remember one thing, an element cannot follow these two rules at the same time. One element can only follow one rule. Okay, 8 electrons in its valence shell. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, for example, this is the simplest rule for this. For example, we have sodium, right, and we have chlorine. They are separately present in the periodic table, but you know, the sodium and chlorine, they are not separately present in the environment. They are always present in the bonded form. How they make bond? Now we are going to check the bonds. What is the electronic configuration of sodium? That is 11. Okay, I am just writing the proton number because I need electronic configuration. For chlorine, what is it? It is 17. Okay, it is 35. Sodium is 23. Right? What will be?
Wait, can you tell me again? I can't hear you.
I am saying that the sodium and the chlorine, they are. Why we need to make their bond? I am just telling you this. The sodium, in the sodium there is 11. The proton number is 11, and the chlorine, its proton number is 17. Now can you tell me how many electrons are there in the sodium?
How many electrons are there in sodium? 11.
11. Okay. And what about chlorine?
Chlorine, there is 17.
There are 17 electrons. Okay.
Yeah.
How we can write the electronic configuration? Firstly, you know, in the first shell, how many electrons can be there in the first shell?
In the first shell, only 2.
Only 2. So you will write 2, right? Then in the next shell there will be 8, right?
Yeah.
Now how many left? How many electrons are left? There are total 11 electrons. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Just 1 electron left, right? For this sodium.
Yeah.
So there will be 1. Are you clear with this electronic configuration?
Yeah.
So it means in its valence shell, how many electrons are there? In the valence shell. How many electrons are there in the valence shell of sodium? See this.
Sodium.
But how you know from
so
this?
like 11.
No, valence
like
shell.
bottom.
11 electrons are total electrons. This is the valence shell electron. Okay, the last one. This is known as valence shell electron.
Valence shell electron.
Okay. Now I am writing for the sodium, for the chlorine. 17 electrons are there, right?
Yeah.
So in the first there will be 2. In the second there will be 8, right? In the third there will be, how many will be there in the third? 2 plus 8 is 10. So you have 17 total. How many electrons will be in the third shell?
Like so 1.
No, why 1? There are 17 in the third.
Wait. Yeah.
So what will be in the last shell? You have already filled 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell. Now how many left?
So if 2, 8, 10, so 7.
7. Okay, so it means in the valence shell how many electrons are there? 7. Right?
7, yeah.
These are valence shell electrons of chlorine. Now, can you tell me which rule they are following, the chlorine and sodium, duplet or octet? Are they following any rule? Valence shell, you see the sodium valence shell. There is
No.
1 electron. Is it following duplet or octet rule?
No.
No, it is not following. Right. What about chlorine?
Chlorine,
There are 7 electrons in the valence shell. You just need to check the valence shell electrons. Okay.
yeah.
Is it following the rule? The
No.
octet or duplet? Any rule?
No.
No, it is not following. So what they need? So it means they are not stable. Okay, it means they are not stable. They both are not stable in the single form. Not in single individual form.
Yeah.
So what is needed to make bond?
So,
okay, it
yeah.
is needed to make
Bond. My English class is about to start, so.
Yeah, okay, we will continue from here tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Take care.